Hey Sudeshna, what are you doing?
Hi Kirtana, I'm learning about data type.
Data types? They play major role in C language, right?
Yes, they play a major role in our C language.
Okay, I have an idea.
What's that?
Let's make a presentation on data types so that our friends can understand easily, right?
Yes, that was very good idea.
Let's make.
Hello, I am Sudeshna from first year CSC B section, and today I am here to say about data type. And what is data type? Data type is a classification that specifies which type of value a variable stores and what type of mathematical, logical or reasoning operation applied to it without any error. Data types are always used with variables.
Okay, I understood data type. So can you please tell me what is variable?
Okay Kirtana, I will tell you about variables. Variable is nothing but which stores the values is known as variables, and it is just restricted to only one type of values it can store in it.
Okay Sudeshna, you said variable stores the values. So does it take any memory in the computer?
Yes Kirtana, we have a memory for storing the variables. We can change the memory size by using the optional specifiers. Optional specifiers are short, long, signed and unsigned. Short is nothing but we have to decrease the size of the memory, then we use the short, and long is nothing but to increase the size of the memory we use long. Signed is automatically mentioned if it did not mention any option there, and it is nothing but plus or minus. If we want to store positive values or negative values, then we can use signed. Unsigned is nothing but which stores only positive values is known as unsigned. Data types are classified into three types: primitive data type, void data type and derived data type. This primitive data type contains int, float, char and double, and void is nothing but itself it says empty. Derived also contains some data types: array, pointer, structure, enum and union. Structure, union, enum are also known as user defined data types. Now let me tell you about what is primitive and what is derived data type. Primitive data type is nothing but which stores a single value in a single variable, and derived data type is nothing but which stores multiple values in a single variable. Let's discuss in detail about data type. Primitive data type is also known as built-in data type, and this built-in data type has integer quantity, character, floating point number and double. Let's see about the integer data type in detail. Integer data type is nothing but which stores the whole numbers is known as integer data type, and it has the range from here to here, and the keyword used to specify integer data type is int, and it has a format specifier %d. Now let's see how to calculate the range for sign. Here integer has 2 bytes, and that means 16 bits, and 1 bit is reserved for the plus or minus sign, and this is the formula how to calculate the range. The remaining bits are in the power of 2, and 2 power 15 to 2 power 15 whole minus 1. With remaining 15 bits we will calculate the range. This is the formula for calculating the range. For unsigned int, there is no reservation for the sign and it has no negative values. So this is the way to calculate the range. It starts from 0 and ends with 2 power 16 minus 1. Likewise, you can calculate the range for different data types, just the number of bits will be changed. Character data type. Character data type is which stores a single character in a single quotation. It takes 1 byte of memory to store the variables, and it has format data specifier %c, and here every character has an ASCII value. For example, here if we store A, we will get the integer value as 97. The floating data type, which stores the decimal values, is known as floating data type, and it has format specifier %f, %g, and it has the size of memory of 4 bytes, and there is no signed or unsigned data type for float. By default, all the floating values are signed. The double data type, it is similar like the float data type, which takes the memory of 8 bytes. It has the format specifier %lf or %lg.
Okay Sudeshna, I understood very well. Let me summarize about data types. For every data type, it has size, range and format specifier. For character, the size is 1 byte and the range is -128 to plus 127, and the format specifier is %c. And this is the easy way to calculate the range.